Jockey Club e-Home Discharge Support Program, funded by the Hong Kong Jockey Club Charities Trust, provides home rehabilitation assessment and training for those who have just left hospital. Comparing telerehabilitation and hybrid rehabilitation modes offer new insights on how different models of care influence recovery, cost, and patient experience. This will guide us to provide more effective and accessible rehabilitation in the future. Self-serviced rehabilitation training platform, carer training, and remote support achieve sustainable rehabilitation results without being restricted by time and location. Target users are people aged 50 or above, recently discharged from hospitals, and those with rehabilitation needs. Service areas: Kowloon West, mixed mode, and Hong Kong East, single mode. Program features: 1. Personalized rehabilitation training. Physiotherapists or occupational therapists conduct home assessments and tailor-make home rehabilitation training. 2. Caregiving support and guidance. Nurses conduct home assessments and provide appropriate support and guidance to caregivers. 3. Caregiver training. Rehabilitation trainers provide one-on-one practical training and guidance to caregivers and assist with training. 4. Remote video rehabilitation training. Provides a remote rehabilitation training and health management platform to promote living a life with physical independence. 5. Rehabilitation and health monitoring. Therapists and nurses provide regular remote follow-up to monitor rehabilitation progress and physical condition. The rehabilitation program of Jockey Club e-Home Discharge Support Program allows the elderly to do home rehabilitation training at home at any time. The professional team of YWCA Jockey Club Y-Care Elderly Center provides support services to empower the elderly to break through restrictions in time and location, to regain a healthy lifestyle with physical independence. After participating in the Jockey Club e-Home Discharge Support Program, what are the improvements in your health conditions and daily activities?
未做運動之前呢，我係需要食藥物嘅幫助嘅。而家做咗運動之後呢，我係唔需要食止痛藥，因為我未做呢個計劃之前呢，係需要人哋幫我去做一啲日常生活嘅嘢，但係我而家可以為自己煮飯啊，譬如一啲簡單嘅嘢咧都可以做得到，同埋因為身體康復好轉好明顯啊，令到我覺得對呢個計劃好有信心咯。
各位，我就係水上余麗燕，係2年前我係中咗風，咁就參加咗呢個計劃。參加咗呢個計劃之後咧，對我真係好有幫助。就係我喺行路嗰方面咧，就係感覺得最清楚嘅。因為初我係唔識行嘅，好似細佬哥學行路咁樣，又長期要用輪椅咯。咁但係參加咗呢個計劃之後咧，就可以做到好多自己想做嘅嘢。好似我擰個頭去後邊都唔得嘅以前，咁而家咧就可以擰去後邊咁樣去同人哋講嘢啊咁樣。
What are your opinions on the personalized telerehabilitation training program?
參加咗呢3個月嘅計劃咧，我覺得樣樣都進步咗嘅，每樣嘢都得心應手，同埋譬如開水樽啦都容易咗，配合咗針對性嘅運動咧，等我個痛楚咧係減少咗，做嘢係輕咗嘅，所以日常嘅生活啊都冇咁痛啦。
參加咗呢個計劃之後，有好多進步咯。個姑娘啊幫我啦，咁可以喺自己屋企做咧，真係好處真係好多嘅。第一就慳咗時間先啦，第二其餘就係個環境係自己習慣嘅環境啊嘛。咁可以好似我屋企有個即係有條巷仔咁啊，我就喺個巷仔度做運動嘅。 咁啊我先至可以伸手伸腳啊，咁啊做下好多好嘅運動。係因為係睇住片啊嘛，每次咁物理治療師咧俾一啲動作我哋，叫我練習之後咧，就每次佢又會有進步嘅時候，佢又會改變呢條片，咁亦都係好大嘅幫助嘅。而家都可以自己沖涼嘅，而家咧就係好開心噶啦。不過我就係想再進步一啲，再努力一啲。
我係水上爺夫，我係水上幼兒園老公。我哋識 YWCA 2年前，YWCA 老公好好幫手啊。2年前我哋喊唔到啊，不過而家好好，我哋好滿足，多謝晒 YWCA。